Standing at 8,848.86 meters above sea level, it is the highest point on Earth. To the locals in Nepal, she is Sagarmatha, goddess of the sky. To Tibetans, she is Komalungma, mother goddess of the world. But to the rest of the world, she is known by one name: Everest. It is a place of extreme beauty, but also extreme danger. A place where the air is too thin to breathe, and the wind can freeze a man in seconds. Why do we climb it? As George Mallory famously said, because it's there. Our journey begins in Kathmandu, the vibrant capital of Nepal. At 1,400 meters, this is where every Everest dream takes its first breath. Amidst the smell of incense and the chaos of the streets, climbers from across the globe gather, finalizing their gear for the odyssey ahead. To reach the mountain, you must first survive the flight. A 35-minute journey takes us to Lukla. Its airport, carved into a mountainside with a runway only 527 meters long, is widely considered the most dangerous in the world. One wrong move here, and the journey ends before it begins. From Lukla, the engine roar fades, replaced by the sound of rushing rivers and yak bells. We enter the Sagarmatha National Park, crossing high suspension bridges that sway in the wind. We begin the steep climb to Namche Bazaar, the historic trading hub and the gateway to the high Himalayas. Perched at 3,440 meters, Namche Bazaar is where the body begins to feel the thinning air. This is the land of the Sherpas, the legendary tigers of the snow. Here, we pause. Acclimatization is not a choice. It is a survival tactic to let our blood adapt to the decreasing oxygen. The path leads us to Tengboche. In the shadow of the world's highest peak sits its most famous monastery. For decades, every major expedition has stopped here to receive a blessing. On Everest, skill is vital, but many believe you also need the permission of the mountain itself. After days of trekking through the frozen landscape of Gorakshep, we reach the Everest base camp at 5,364 meters. It is a temporary city built on moving ice. For the next 2 months, this rocky, oxygen-deprived ground will be home for those waiting for a weather window to strike for the top. Just above base camp lies the Khumbu Icefall, a terrifying labyrinth of shifting ice. It moves up to a meter every day. It is a graveyard of giants, where massive ice towers can collapse without warning. It is the most unpredictable and feared section of the entire climb. Beyond 8,000 meters, we enter the death zone. Here, the human body is literally dying with every minute spent. Every step is a battle of will against exhaustion. But then, the ridge opens up. Standing at 8,848 meters, the curvature of the earth becomes visible. You are no longer on the world, you are standing above it.